English together.
Ordering pizza.
Dad, I'm feeling really hungry. What's for dinner?
Your mom won't be home for dinner tonight. She is going out with her friends.
Oh no, who's going to cook for us?
No one. I'm not good at cooking. But we can order something. What would you like to eat?
I'm in the mood for some cheesy mouth-watering pizza.
That sounds like a great idea. Let me make the call and place the order for us.
Hello, Pizza Palace. How can I help you?
Hi, I'd like to order 3 pizzas, please.
Sure, what types of pizza would you like? We have some popular options like pepperoni, margarita, Hawaiian.
Can I have 1 pepperoni, 1 margarita, and 1 Hawaiian, please? And what sizes are available?
We offer small, medium, and large sizes. Which size would you prefer?
I'll go with a large size for all 3 pizzas, please.
Great choice. Any extra toppings or specific instructions for the pizzas?
No, thank you. Just the regular toppings for each pizza.
All right. So, that's 3 large pizzas. 1 pepperoni, 1 margarita, and 1 Hawaiian. Anything else?
Yes, I would also like 10 chicken wings and a 1-liter bottle of cola.
Perfect. Let me calculate the total for you. For the 3 pizzas, chicken wings, and cola, the total comes to $50. How would you like to pay?
I'll pay with cash, please.
Absolutely. The total is $50. When our delivery driver arrives, you can pay them in cash.
Sounds good.
For delivery, could you give me your address and phone number?
Certainly. The address is 334 East Street, Apartment B. And the phone number is 1234-1234.
Thank you for choosing Pizza Palace. Your order will be delivered to 334 East Street, Apartment B. It will take approximately 30 minutes for the delivery to arrive. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. Looking forward to it. Goodbye.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.